here, take a look at this. I think we're right about here.
Wait, if we cut across here, it'll be much faster.
He's right, let's do it.
Yeah, I'm a 69. Ford Falcon packed so tight you couldn't breathe. David, Jennifer, Michelle, and a half a tank of gas. We didn't know where we were going really, but we knew we had to go. Stick shift stuck in the summer heat. Michelle's feet up on the dashboard seat. David's driving with a heavy hand, chasing the rumors of a rock and roll band. Route 17 stretches out like a vein, leaving behind the city in the rain. We got a cooler full of nothing and a pocket full of dreams, bursting out the seams of these denim jeans. We're heading north to the promised land where the music plays in the dairy sand. Don't know if we'll make it, don't know if we'll stay, but the wheels are turning and we're on our way. Yeah, we're on our way. Radio's crackling with a brand new sound. Word is spreading through the underground. They say 500,000 are trying to ride. We're just 4 kids on the countryside. Jennifer's laughing at the map on her knees. We're lost already, she shouts to the trees. But being lost feels better than being found when you're chasing the thunder and the holy sound. We're heading north to the promised land where the music plays in the dairy sand. Don't know if we'll make it, don't know if we'll stay, but the wheels are turning and we're on our way. Leave the anger in the city street, leave the suits in the summer heat. We're looking for something that we can't define, just across that county line. Keep driving, David, just keep driving. I think I see the turn, maybe not.